Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo, black EP3241 54. Enjoy 5 coffees. Intuitive touch display. 12-step grinder adjustment. 20,000 cups of finest coffee with durable ceramic grinders. Keep your beans fresh for longer thanks to the aroma seal. Up to 5,000 cups without descaling thanks to AquaClean. Dishwasher safe parts for your convenience. Easy cleaning thanks to fully removable brewing group. Makes espresso, hot water, cappuccino, coffee, latte macchiato and americano. Includes measuring scoop, water hardness test strip, AquaClean filter, LatteGo storage lid, grease tube. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.